So, hello, my friend. I am expecting you are a content creator who has just started his journey, or you are in mid of your journey, and you feel like that your voice needs some correction or some focus. Okay, I got your point. Okay, but being a beginner, we do not have that much amount of money that we can invest into so-called gears that are very costly and that are out of our budget. So basically, this video is beginner friendly. Like any content creator who is starting their journey of content creation and want to improve the voice quality, audio quality of the video. So this video is going to be really helpful. So basically, when we start the journey of content creation, no, it is very challenging to find a space where there is no external noise, I can say. Like the birds are always chirping around you, there's some noise of vehicle going around, or the kids are playing downstairs or in the park. So every time you try to record a video, someone in the background is shouting, someone in the background is talking, and it feels like they are interrupting in your video, and it really crushes your motivation for creating content. And I got you. So for that problem, today I'm here with a very affordable mic, that is the Grenaro wireless microphone. So basically, this microphone had three level of noise cancellation. Okay, so let me introduce this very specific and very affordable mic for you. So it comes in range of like 800 to 1000. So it basically depends, because sometimes there is a sale. Right now I have taken this mic in a price of 790. I have borrowed this particular mic from Amazon, and let me tell you some qualities. So basically, it states that it has HD sound quality, intelligent noise reduction, reverb mode, long battery life, portable, and widely compatible. So these are the few features that is mentioned on the box. You cannot see it because I have opened the front camera of my device. So, but let me just explain it to you. The model name is S12 and it is black in color. So let me just unbox it. So here you go. This is the mic, okay, and this is something, I don't know what you call it, but you inserted piece of that your charger, okay. And this is a box which have your USB cable and a windshield. So let me show it to you. Here you go, it's your charger and you go with a windshield. Also, this box comprises of the user manual and a warranty card. So this was all about the packaging. So you can see how premium the box looks like. But let me just show you the enhancement of voice in after using the mic. So now guys, you are listening this audio with this microphone, and you can clearly see the difference between the previous one and this one. It enhances your audio quality, and it also makes your video bit more interesting. Okay, so if you are looking for a beginners friendly and affordable mic, I get you. It maybe for some of you this do not comes in your budget. Okay, and you can go for some wired mic. And if you are looking for some wired mic, you can choose the Boya one. Okay, the Boya wired mic, that is also a good choice. I've seen the reviews, and I've seen some creators giving their reviews, and the quality of the mic is premium. But if you're looking for the wireless mic in this price range, nothing and no device can beat this one. This Gennaro mic had actually the three level of noise cancellation. Also, it goes on mute also. So this is the quality you are not going to get into any mic, and I though just love this. I'm like falling for this mic, and this is level 1 which we are using right now because I'm shooting indoor. But you can turn to level 2 and level 3 using this button. I guess it is clearly visible to you below the windshield. I don't know my camera is being able to capture it or not. Yeah, it is now visible. You press it and you changes the the level of noise cancellation. It uses the extra noise from your video, so now you are unstoppable to make quality content, and you do not have to look about what is timing, people are shouting, people are talking, kids are playing. So what are you waiting for? put your hands on this box, get yourself this mic, and start your journey of content creation. All the very best. I'm expecting your content creation journey is going to be really nice and smoothing. And also, since if this video feels like it was a bit informative or anything out there helped you or has motivated you to start this journey of content creation, please, please, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. Put your views in the comment, and I will definitely go through the comment section to look after the love you show on this video. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. See you soon in some other videos. Take care and stay motivated.